Tired of your messaging scripts crashing because of API authorization issues? In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the simple process of verifying your Messagebird API key. It's the key that unlocks reliable, secure communication. First, logged into your Messagebird account, head over to your profile settings. These are usually found by clicking on your profile picture on the dashboard. There will be a drop-down. Click Settings. Once you are on the Settings page, you should see the API Access REST tab or equivalent. Click on the dedicated API Access tab. This is where you'll manage your API keys. Now, locate your API key. It's usually a long alphanumeric string. Treat this like a password and keep it safe. Do not share your keys with anyone. The best method of verifying this key is through the use of a REST API tool. The code we are showing on screen now will be available in the description. Once your code script is ready, be very careful when inserting this key into your code. Run a simple API call, such as retrieving your account details or sending a test message. If the API call is successful, congratulations! Your key is verified, and your integration is working correctly. If you encounter errors like invalid API key or unauthorized, double-check that you've copied the key exactly as it appears, and that it has the correct permissions for the API call you're making, so pay close attention. The Messagebird website offers extensive documentation and troubleshooting guides which contain even more detail on this process. Check out the link in the description. By verifying your API key, you ensure secure and reliable communication with Messagebird, giving you peace of mind that your messages are flowing without interruption.